What's that?
Nice.
Oh.
Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to the new series, Old Men and Green Bikes. Now, I'm old, but Binks, who you have seen on the introduction to this video, is not as old as me. He's 7 years younger than me. However, he does suffer from pain more than me when it comes to riding bikes. Now, I think as you get older, the bike choice needs to take in consideration your limbs, your aches, your stamina, etc. So as we kind of get towards the 40s, 50s, we stop riding the super sports and look for something a little bit more upright for the back and wrists to help out there. We go to touring, maybe we move on to kind of custom classics or cruisers, but it doesn't stop you from riding a bike. Now, we're planning our first tour in August, and we are going up to the Peak District. So we will be riding up there on a Friday. We'll be staying overnight in Matlock on a Friday night, spending all day Saturday riding around. We're going to do Snakes Pass, Cat and Fiddle, some of the B roads. We're going to be taking the Instarex 2, the DJI Action 4. We'll be putting a Mini 2 drone up to take some footage as well, and we'll be having regular breaks.
I don't even know if the T-Hut's going to be open. I don't know if the T-Hut's going to be open. I'll show you where it is though. Yeah. What you got sticking out there? Look that way. No, that way. That's a sticker. You got the emergency use only strips, yeah. Bump here.
I'm usually good for about an hour and a half, 2 hours before I start, having a little bit of discomfort. Let's say not pain, but discomfort. Binks, I think, is about an hour to an hour and a half. He suffers a little bit more with things like hip flexors and achy limbs, etc. So we're going to be trying to do a lot of flexibility exercises before we go to kind of improve that and, increase the duration between stops. But I think we're still going to be taking it easy on the way up there. We're allowing lots of time to get there, and we are allowing lots of time on the day that we are touring to have many breaks and see many sights, etc.
Beautiful house over there. It's like in the middle of nowhere. It's the sort of place you want to live. Get away from everyone.
After the day on Saturday, we're not going to be coming back down to London. We will be staying in a hotel again, and on the Sunday morning is when we depart Matlock and head back down again to London and Essex. So that way we get to spend the rest of the bank holiday weekend with our families. So a question for you guys that are, more experienced tourers, or, you go on longer rides. What do you do? What's your preparation to, you know, last longer without getting all of the aches and pains. Is there any quick wins that you could offer as a suggestion to us? Is there any, you know, precautions that you take? What's your rota? What's your, you know, your schedule to actually get prepared for a touring event? Also, what else do you prepare for? Not only kind of the stamina and the ride itself, but, you know, what precautions or what preventative measures do you take? I mean, you can see on this road in particular, it's a lovely road, but there's just potholes everywhere. And, you know, I'm kind of thinking to myself, do I really need to take a kind of roadside puncture repair kit? First aid kit I'll always carry anyway, because I'll have panniers on. But what I'm actually thinking of doing is taking the panniers up there just for a change of clothes, etc., and leaving the panniers in the hotel, because we'll be staying in the same hotel for 2 nights. Do you do anything else? What else is there that, you know, we might be missing? Change of clothes. I guess we've got all of this. If it gets too hot, we can strip layers off. If it gets too cold, we can put layers on. I think the key to enjoying yourselves when you're going on a tour, on a long motorbike ride, is preparation. Make sure you've got everything you need. Make sure you can cater for any or most situations. And just make it a fun ride without too much hassle and stress. So any information you guys can give us will be greatly appreciated, and we can share the ride with you and show you how it went when we get back. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Again, if you've got any information about touring that you can share with us, really will appreciate that. If you enjoyed this video or you want to see more, I do some how-tos, I do some reviews, do some vlogs. All of that sort of stuff is on my channel. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. If you don't, give us a thumbs down. It all helps towards the algorithm. And if you want to see more, please make sure you subscribe. Until then, ride safe and take care of yourself.